Q. Pick up each bowl from the shelf and pour its contents into the mixing bowl on the scale. Take the bowl from the scale and put under the mixer. Close the mixer and turn it on. Pour the mixture into the roller. Grab the handle using the trigger to rotate the hinge and roll the rubber. Push the button to finish the bladder process. Take the tyre from the bladder and put it in the vulcanization oven. Close the lid of the oven and hold it down until the vulcanization process has been completed. Put the vulcanized tyre onto the testing bench and test it. Test the diameter of the tyre by pushing the button on your right. Now for the uniformity. And finally, test the measurement. Well done, you have successfully made your own tyre.